Consider next example for NFA to DFA conversion. So here alphabet contains A and B, language L is W such that W contains substring AB. So this is the required string. So anything that is before AB is processed in this loop, then A and B, anything that is after AB is processed in this loop. We have studied this NFA before. So we will convert this NFA to DFA. Now the first step in NFA to DFA is to consider transition table of NFA. Initial state is P. P on A goes to P or Q. P on A goes to P or Q. P on B goes to P only. P is initial state. For Q, at Q there is no transition for A, so we write empty set over here. Q on B goes to R. For state R, R on A goes to R, R on B goes to R. There is only one final state R. Now next step is to start writing transition table for the DFA. So start with initial state. So this is state in DFA. Initial state is P. P on A goes to P or Q. Here corresponding state will be PQ. In DFA, P on A goes to state PQ. P on B goes to P. Now here we will not continue with writing states Q and R. We have to consider states reachable from initial states of DFA. So from P, next reachable state is state PQ. Now for transitions of PQ, we have to make union of transitions of P and Q in NFA. We have to make union of transitions of P and Q. So PQ union empty set, we get PQ. P union R, we get PR. We have considered PQ. Next reachable state from P is P. It is already here. Next is PQ, already here. Next is PR. For transitions of PR, we have to make union of transitions of states P and R in NFA. PQ union R. We get state PQR in DFA. For transitions on B, P union R, we get PR. Next reachable state is PQR. It is new entry in the DFA table. Now we have to make union of PQ and R. So PQ union empty set union R is PQR. P union R, we get PR. So next state to consider is PR. It is already considered. Next one is PQR. It is over here. Next one is PR. It is over here. So we have considered all the states appearing in transition table. So these are the states in DFA. Now we have to mark final states. There is only one final state in NFA, R. So we have R in state PR, we mark it final state. We have R in state PQR, we mark it final state. For the state in DFA, there should be at least one final state corresponding to NFA. Now we will draw transition diagram. So we have to take state P, then PQ, then PR, PR is a final state, and then state PQR. P is initial state. P on A goes to PQ. P on B goes to P. PQ on A goes to PQ. PQ on B goes to PR. PR on A goes to PQR. PR on B goes to PR. PQR on A goes to PQR. PQR on B goes to PR. Now, if you consider this NFA, this is the NFA for given language with minimum possible number of states. This NFA is the NFA with minimum possible number of states for given language. When we convert NFA to DFA with subset construction method, we get this DFA. But we already have studied DFA for W contains substring, and we know that W contains substring AB. The minimal DFA will contain 3 states. But here we have converted NFA to DFA, and here we got 4 states. So important point is, when you convert NFA to DFA using subset construction method, you may or may not get minimal DFA. So for a given language L, if you draw NFA and you convert NFA to DFA using subset construction method, this DFA may or may not be minimal. So after that you have to apply DFA minimization, then only you will get minimal DFA. So this is the part you should remember. NFA to DFA may or may not give minimal DFA. You have to apply DFA minimization. So this DFA, it represents how this NFA is functioning. If you consider string ABA, then in the DFA, ABA ends in PQR. What it means? In the given NFA, processing of ABA will end either in P or Q or R. So A, B, A ends in P, A, B, A ends in Q, A, B, A ends in R. If we consider string BBA, so here BBA ends in PQ. So it means if we process BBA in NFA, it will end either in P or in Q. So BBA ends in P, BBA ends in Q. So when we convert NFA to DFA, the resultant DFA will represent how NFA is functioning, and also the resultant DFA may or may not be minimal DFA. To get minimal DFA, further you have to apply DFA minimization.